I find that in the mornings, having a little bit of quiet time to open up my journal and have my Bible ready really helps me, especially when I may have a lot of things going on and my mind begins to race. This is always a calming practice that gets me where I need to be so that I can have a really good day. So this particular morning was very important for me to wake up, carve out some time. I did sacrifice working out, which I'm trying to get that in more, but I really needed to get centered, and I opened up my journal and did some gratitude journaling. And afterwards, there were a few scriptures that were on my heart that I looked up, read over them, and was able to get my day started. Some mornings I take my time and fluff my pillows, but because I want my bed made, I just do what I have to do to get the job done. This was one of those mornings. In my current role, I am the director of operations and events at my workplace, and I spend majority of my day meeting and greeting customers, clients, and members, planning and coordinating events, and also collaborating with our teams to make sure that our facility is up to our standards with excellence and that they have the things that they need to slay. Unfortunately, I do not have to work late this evening. I pretty much did everything that was on my to-do list for today. So I am getting ready to leave the office and go get some tennis shoes. I've been trying to incorporate exercise into my regimen and realize that I don't have any proper tennis shoes to wear. I have a pair of Cole Haans that they're tennis shoes, but I think they're best for like walking, if you were being a tourist. I call them my tourist shoes, and that was what I have been using, and I can't wear those. So I am going to go meet up with the family, and we're going to go pick out a pair of sneakers. So that's what we're going to do as soon as I get off work. I forgot to show you all my new nails.
I locked it. Oh, did you? Yeah. Stove's off.
I like them. Right, Lee, you didn't see all the Lulu up here?
Oh, this is so. Y'all look like the Leaning Tower.
Thank you.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexion.
So these are the shoes that we got tonight. I got a pair, my husband got a pair, and my oldest daughter got a pair. These are the On Clouds. I don't know the proper name for them, but yeah, they are very, very comfy. Don't know the name, but they're On Cloud something. And I chose all black, and my husband got the exact same pair. So I think I'm good to go. One more find is I love Julia's Place, and that's what this is. And I like neutral colors. There it is. This is the coffee shop. And here are the swatches or trays, plates, whatever you call them. Hi there. I am now back home from getting my shoes, and we went to dinner with the family. I went to dinner with the family, and now it is close to maybe 10 o'clock. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I was excited to take my little camera out for a spin tonight out in public to see how comfortable I was using it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. Go ahead and like the video, friend, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And until the next video, have a great day.